Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off of Uber Eats. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. You can cash out your earnings on the Driver app or the web portal. Here's a detailed guide on each method. Cashing out from the Driver app. Open the Driver app and log in if you haven't already. Select Wallet or Earnings from the main menu and tap Cash Out. Choose the account where you want your earnings deposited. Click Confirm to cash out your earnings. Alternatively, use the Instant Cash Out feature to have your earnings deposited into your bank account or debit card. This transfer is usually instant, but in some cases it takes up to 3 business days. Note that cashing out your earnings outside the regular schedule may attract a fee. Cashing out from the web portal. Visit wallet.uber.com and use your credentials to log in. The link is in the description. Click Wallet from the left navigation panel and go to Earnings. Click Cash Out. Choose the account where your earnings will be deposited. Click Confirm to cash out your earnings. So there you have it. That's how you get money off of Uber Eats. Thanks for watching. Till next time.